Hello, I am back again to make another video, but this time, this video will go somewhere different in the approach. I'm going to be reviewing one of my all-time favorite musical groups, which has been playing for like a long time, but they haven't been really active, but are still great. And that musical group is that band is the Radioactive Chicken Heads. They're an American comedy rock band based in Santa Ana, California, in USA. They're my all-time favorite bands because they take stuff into like different approaches, you'd expect, like a band to not go like fully fleshed out with like costumes, characters, it's creative, it's like fresh, it's like bringing something new to the table of music, basically. And they actually really do have a really good thing of like albums, because they only released 3 albums. No, 2 albums, and I think one is in progress. I don't really know what to talk about now, but still, these are one of my all-time favorite bands. So, I'm going to be showing you the songs I have MP3'd onto my contraption right here. I'm going to be pointing to ones I have MP3'd and ones I haven't. I've MP3'd this one, 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 not this one, not, well, this one, this one, not this one, 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 heard this one, don't have it, heard this one, don't have it. So you could say I'm like a fully fleshed out, fan. I've been supporting the group ever since I discovered them around 2015, and I really have to say, they really are great people once you get to know them. They all act like if they're not really real people, and they're their own character. Like, every character has their own personality. Like every OC has their own personality, but that OC has to be creative and full of personality. I don't know what I'm saying. Still, these guys are awesome, and they're still active on their YouTube channel, believe it or not. Because they have like around 3 separate ones with 2 of the main cast characters uploading videos whenever they can. And I really do say you guys really should support them with their channels and songs, because they really are a great band after a while. If you start listening to it, and if you like it, I do suggest you buy some of the albums, because the albums are great, man. They did upload to it. They did have 2 albums. One from 2008 and 2005 and 2009. So I have nearly all the songs for this one, and nearly all the songs for that one. Well, I think I have songs for all of them, but I'm forgetting a few. That's okay. But seriously, these guys are great, okay? In just my opinion, they're good, they're hilarious, they're original. You know, it's like something magical that happens every few years. Like, you see something that's so good that it comes after a few years and just starts to dwindle away and, like, disappear. I really don't hope any of the cast members, pass away or, you know, go on their own merry way and just, explore the world and go their separate ways, man. Like, live their normal life. It's pretty, I don't know what to say, man. It's just, bringing out all my excitement for this one little small band that really needs more attention. Like, seriously. It's great. Okay, so I was wrong. They had a album called Keep On Clucking, but I don't think that's, like, really available to, the public. But still, it's still pretty good to listen to the band, and if you dislike them, it's fine in my opinion. Like, really, I don't really know what to say. Like, I'm just expressing my opinion in this one video, just for this one great little band. Great band. So, they did perform in 2016, which I had misfortune to miss, because I don't live in, like, California or the USA. I live in a smaller remote town in shitty fucking Canada. I get worse weather. I like California probably better. Anyway. So, they've been active to 1994 to present, which is still a great thing, because they're probably around... They've been around for, I guess, like... 20... No, not 20. I'm not gonna go how long they've been active for, but still. So, in 1994, they debuted as Joe and the Chickenheads, with their own specific, 2014 to present. Chickenheads playing at Los Angeles Meltdown Comics in July 2013. Everything has a backstory too, band mythology. I can't really read this. It was like taking like 15 minutes just to read it to you. They also released a PC game, which is awesome. It's too great, man. Oh God! So they did release 4 albums. Tales from the Coop, Keep On Clucking. Oh, these are as Joe and Chickenheads, so Keep On Clucking and Chickenheads. Tales from the Coop. I never really listened to that. I can't really, express anything else toward them. But seriously, I've had one of their channels comment on my video because I gave them a shout out in the description of a video I previously deleted. And I thought the world was like, oh my god, I have a celebrity actually commenting on my video. This is a moment of my life. And they're from my favorite band. I was like, wow, the emotions in me are overflowing. So, I'm going to wrap up this video here. if any of these cast members of this band comment on my video, I have a message for you guys. Thank you for commenting on my video. You guys are great, in my opinion. I love your music. I love your works of anything. But the one thing I have to say to you guys as well is, are you ever going to perform anywhere in Canada or anywhere in North America? Because I'm in North America right now. Just, doing not much. Just really waiting for things to happen on the channel, since I subscribe to all the free summer channels to you guys. So, are you guys ever going to perform any new songs or perform anywhere in North America? Because if you guys are, that'd be great. And if I do get tickets, I'll try and get tickets to see you guys, because, I'm your biggest fan. Well, not your biggest fan, that's like crazy type fan. But I'm one of your bigger fans that goes the hell and back again just to find all the MP3 files for your songs. I haven't really finished my collection. I only have like a few tiddlywinks that need to be added. But still, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. If any of the cast members comment, I love you guys. Keep making more music. Have a wonderful day. And just keep on rocking.